Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make money with Fiverr without doing the work by yourself. Yes, that's right, I'm talking about Fiverr affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you how you can make money, and I'm also going to show you how you can find clients, and you can make up to $150 for every client that you refer to Fiverr. So with that being said, let's start. Because of the current situation in the world, because all of these things that are happening, there is a huge demand for freelancers. Many people don't want or don't have money to hire agencies or companies, so they are actually looking for freelancers. And we need to show them where they can find the good freelancers. And here you can see this is my Fiverr affiliate account. Now I didn't make that much money, and that is because I'm still testing this. I just started, but it is a promising start. So first thing you need to do, you actually need to find freelancers that you wish to promote. So you need to go on Fiverr, and obviously you need to first register on Fiverr. Second thing, you need to find those freelancers. So let's say I wish to promote freelancers in graphic design niche. So here in search bar, I will just type graphic design. And then I'm going to click here on search to find graphic design related gigs. And this is really important what you wish to do. You actually wish to switch this to a pro services, because what often happens that some of these guys here, they are amateurs or they're only starting, so they're not really good at that. So you need to find professional graphic designers in this case, because these guys are good, they are professionals. And as you can see, they all have a good thumbnails and they have lots of reviews. Reviews are important because those people that you are sending on Fiverr, they will read the reviews from other people who actually hire these people to see what they think about those graphic designers. That is why it is important for them to read the reviews. And here you can see 5-star reviews, 5-star reviews, 5-star reviews, and so on and so on. So for example, let's just choose one of these. So, okay, this looks like an interesting gig. Here you can see this is actually interesting. So what I need to do, I actually need to open this gig in the new tab to check it out. Here you can see they have basic package, standard package, and premium package. And let me just check their portfolio. Okay, this looks like a good designs. Okay, let me read description of their gig. Description is also good. It is detailed. It is clean. It is clear. Okay. And here you can see this girl is from Romania. Here you can see FIQ. Now FIQ is always good thing to have. If those pro members have FIQ, that is really good. You should try to find those who have FIQ, frequently asked questions. That will increase your conversion. And here you can see actually 5-star reviews. On average, she got 4.9 stars. That is really good, considering that she has more than 6,000 reviews. So this is really good. Okay, here you can read some reviews. So this actually looks like a really good gig that you can promote. And it's not that expensive. Basic gig is just 10 euros. Okay, so this is actually a good gig that you wish to promote. And also you can go back and find some other gigs. So now when you find your designers, graphic designers in this case, now you need to make a bridge website, because many of these companies and many of these social media, Google Ads, Google, Facebook ads, Instagram, Twitter, and so on, they don't really like affiliate links. And that is why you need to make a bridge website. Plus, bridge website can increase your conversion rate. Now, to be honest with you, I made my bridge website in Canva, and because I'm a pro member on Canva, I added my custom domain, and that is always the best option. And you can also use ClickFunnels, Kartra, WordPress, or some other website builder. But I'm guessing because most of you are beginners and you don't have money to invest, best alternative is actually Google Sites. And I already made one website in Google Sites. Now I will not show you how to make these websites, because I showed you that many times before in my videos. And here you can see how my website looks. As you can see, I added a gig and I added a thumbnail for each of these gigs. I added title and short description for each of these gigs. And I added a call to action for each of these gigs. And this is how that looks. And what confuses most of the people is, how do I actually get an affiliate link for a Fiverr gig that I wish to promote? Well, you need to go back on Fiverr and you need to go back on that gig that you wish to promote. And you need to copy the URL of that gig, Control C, and then you need to go back on your Fiverr affiliate tools page. You need to click here on marketing tools and you need to click here on default and deep links. And here you can see different options: Fiverr CPA, Fiverr hybrid, Fiverr learn, Fiverr business, and so on and so on. And when you click here, you can get more information about each of these options to promote Fiverr gigs. As you can see here, you can make from $15 to $150. So what you need to do, you need to click here on LP URL and you need to paste that URL here, URL of that gig that you wish to promote, and then press enter. And here you can see Fiverr automatically created your affiliate link for this gig. So I usually use Fiverr CPA. So what you need to do, you need to click here to copy and you need to go back on Google Sites and you need to add that affiliate link here on Google Sites for each of these gigs. Now I added only 3 gigs, but you can add just 1 gig if you want, but you can also add 3, 5, 10, 20 gigs, as many as you want. So now when you have your bridge website and when you added your affiliate links, Fiverr affiliate links for each of these gigs, now you need to start driving traffic to this bridge website. Now comes the hardest part. Where can I find clients? That is the question that people most often ask. Well, you can simply go on Quora and here in search bar you can simply type where can I find graphic designer in this case, and then click search. And look at this. What is the best place to find a good graphic designer? How do I find a good logo designer? Where can I find a freelance graphic designer? And so on and so on. And you need to answer on all of these questions. So let me just click here on this first one to open this question. So what you need to do, you need to click here on answer and you need to answer on this question. Now I already prepared an answer. So what I can do, I can simply copy this, go back here, paste it here. And I will just do this. And here you can see my call to action. So you need to highlight this, click here on this little chain, and you need to paste the URL of your bridge website here, and then press enter and you will add the link to your bridge website. Click here on post and you will post an answer to this question. In one of my previous videos, I showed you how you can rank your Quora answers as a top answers on Quora. After you answer on this question, just go back on Quora and answer on all of these questions, on as many questions as you can. Another thing that you can do, you can also go on Reddit, and here in search bar you can type exactly the same thing. Where can I find a graphic designer? And here you can see that people are asking that question. Where can I find a graphic designer online? Where can I find graphic design jobs in New Zealand, and so on and so on. And you need to answer on all of these questions in these subreddits here, and you need to link back to your bridge website. What you can do also is you can join to these subreddits, freelance subreddits, make money online subreddits, graphic design subreddits, job online subreddits, and so on and so on. And you can promote your bridge website in those subreddits. Another thing that you can do is you can go on Facebook and do exactly the same thing. You can search here on Facebook, where can I find graphic designer in this case? And here you can see, I need a logo designer. This is a group, graphic design group. I need a graphic designer group. Here you can see people are asking that question in different groups and on different Facebook pages. And you can answer on all of these questions. You can join to these groups and you can start discussions, and you can share, you can link back to your Google site, to your bridge website where you are promoting your Fiverr gigs, your affiliate gigs. And you can use all of these groups here on Facebook to promote that bridge website. Another thing that you can do is you can go and you can start your Twitter page, you can start Pinterest page, you can find related forums, in this case related to graphic design or work online jobs and stuff like that. And you can join those forums and you need to start engaging as much as you can in those forums. In that case, many people will see your link. You need to add your link to your bridge website in your signature and engage as much as you can. And people will see your link and they will start clicking on it and they will start hiring those freelancers on Fiverr. And you can make up to $150 for every person that you refer to Fiverr. And you actually need to start driving as much as you can traffic to your bridge website. Use all of these methods at the same time. Use Quora, use Reddit, use Facebook, use related forums, use Twitter, Pinterest, use related blogs, pay influencers, and so on and so on. Drive as much as you can traffic to your bridge website. And trust me, you will start making sales. You can make from $15 to $150 for every person who actually register on Fiverr and hire one of the Fiverr freelancers. That is how powerful this method is. So this is how you do Fiverr affiliate marketing in 2022. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.